Oh my goodness. I said,
Let me go
what
in.
are they?
Let me go in.
Look at them. Baby goats.
Let me go in.
Hello and welcome back to the Northern Fort On Tour YouTube channel.
Hello, just before we start, I did get burnt a few days ago in the sun. My fault, I know, but I missed this little tiny spot on my chin, so please try and ignore it.
Yeah, you live and learn, I guess. You live and learn. Even I got burnt, and I don't often get burnt in the sunshine, but the Cypriot sunshine is
A different level.
yeah, you don't want to mess with it. Even on a cloudy day, you can get stung by it, can't you?
Yes.
But yesterday, we've actually come to a place called EPAVLI PAPADOPOULOU, which is a family-run villa. We've been invited down by the lovely host Perry. It's her family home. It's about 15 years old, this house, so it's not old at all, and it is absolutely stunning, isn't it?
It's beautiful. I know where I want to live.
Exactly. It's in the heart of the Cypriot villages. It's in a village called Kornos village, and this is just the balcony from the master bedroom and the panoramic views. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it's outrageously stunning. But in this video, Steph and the kids, they went to a local cheese factory here in Kornos village.
Yeah, it's just at the bottom of the hill where we're staying at the moment. It's Perry's friend called Maria. She is amazing. She makes halloumi cheese and other cheeses. She has fresh eggs. She has her own farm, and she sells it to the UK and various other countries as well. So
Yeah.
we went there yesterday and it was amazing.
And then you finished up at the farm.
Yeah, we went to the farm. So Isaac had the pleasure of making a little goat friend called Lola. That's the new name for the goat. And we had such a great time. And Maya unfortunately fell asleep, so she didn't really see the animals, but me and Isaac got to really play with the animals. It was amazing.
We hope you enjoy the video. If you want any more information about where we're staying, it's going to be all in the description. We'll put a link to the Airbnb, and we'll also link EPAVLI PAPADOPOULOU Instagram page. And yeah, it's amazing. I highly recommend staying here. We hope you enjoy the video, and before you jump into the video, if you haven't done already, make sure you like and subscribe.
So we have just arrived at the cheese making place that we've been invited to by Perry, who's our host at the moment, and I just ran off. He's too excited. It's so exciting. It's literally at the bottom of the hill where the host is having us at the moment in Kornos village. It's about a few minute walk, so let's see what this cheese making is all about. I'm so excited.
Can I smell this thing? It's really
Αναρί, τώρα να κόψουμε ένα αναρί να αγαπή μου, okay.
Is it a bit smelly?
What is that water for?
It's from the cheese.
It's a bit stinky.
Is it a bit stinky? Okay, so she has been making halloumi for over 30 years. She actually ships the halloumi and the other cheeses back to the UK, which is just incredible. And she's been doing this since she was a little girl. No one could believe that she could do it, and she's actually made a massive and very successful business out of it. And she absolutely loves doing it, which is just great and so amazing to see. And then what is this? This is the honey? Honey
Yes,
cream?
yeah, they have bees.
Oh,
Yeah, it's pure honey, and that's with the wax.
oh wow. So it takes roughly about 8 hours to make this, which is in here.
Yes, το χαλούμι. Σιγά σιγά πάνω.
So I'm going to try this cheese.
Ναι.
Oh wow.
Is it the first time you're having fresh halloumi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's lovely. Do you want to try some?
And it's la fai fresca.
Mmm.
Εδώ πέρα
You like it? Yes, she likes it.
Μπράβο λαλό της. Ξέρεις
For the large buckets, they are 42 euros, and for the smaller one it's 26, which if you think about what the prices would be like in the UK, you wouldn't get that amount of halloumi for the price as well as the quality. So if you are coming to Cyprus, you have to check her out. She's got so many lovely little things that she sells, and she has like fresh honeycomb. And look, I want some.
Okay, this finished.
Finished?
This finished.
So 8 hours and it's done. So she's getting the fresh halloumi. She's strained it and now she's putting on the salt and is it what's the seasoning?
Dry mint.
Dry mint. So the process for the halloumi roughly takes about 8 hours. So it's a long process, but it's all fresh, it's not fatty, it's not high in salt like the stuff that we would usually get in the UK. And it's made fresh, it's made properly, it's not cutting corners, it's not adding like additives in, it's having it like really fresh, and it smells amazing. Isaac's not too keen on the smell of the cheese, but he has really enjoyed being here. There's a dog in the back as well called Luna. She's about 3 months old, and he's just spent most of his time there playing with her and interacting and just kind of getting a feel for how the Cypriots live, and it's just so beautiful. We're so happy to be here. It's been amazing. Perry's showing us all these amazing things. We're going to come back in about 3 or 4 hours and check out the farm, which is going to be even amazing.
The gang has just got back from cheese making. They had so much fun, didn't you?
Yeah, it was so good.
And you have to go back later, right?
So we're going back at about 3:15 and we're going to go check out the farm, which has chickens, goats, puppies, kittens. I don't even know what else, but I'm so excited to go back and have a look at what she's got.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And not only that, the horse have kindly made us a traditional Cypriot dish. It's a vegetarian chickpea dish. So we're just reheating that now and we're going to have some food. It looks and smells amazing. Oh. We are currently staying here at EPAVLI PAPADOPOULOU here in Cyprus. This is based in Kornos village in the mountain village area of the island itself. My favourite part is the pool. Look at this. I can't get over how beautiful it is. The first thing that caught my attention is just the views, the panoramic views of the mountains and the little Cypriot villages and the infinity pool just to top it off. Wow, and when they do events here, they have all the chairs and tables outside here and it just looks absolutely stunning. I would highly recommend coming and doing something like this. It is a little bit more top end to your budget, but even if you are staying in Protores or Ayanapa or Kaparis or that area where we're staying, even if you had a little mini holiday within a holiday and stayed here for a couple of nights just to experience the true Cypriot culture, it is 100% worth doing. And there are so many activities that the hosts talk you through. If you want any more information, please contact Perry down below in the description. I cannot scream any louder about how much I rate this place and Perry. It's just a wonderful place run by wonderful people. Do not miss out.
Okay, so it's 3:15. We've been back for about an hour and a half from the cheese making. We've had some beautiful homemade chickpea curry by our lovely host here, and we're about to go to the farm. We're going to see lots of animals, aren't we? Going to see goats.
Yeah.
So we're going to go over to the farm now with Perry and we're just going to see what it's all about. I'm so excited. It's been so beautiful. It's been our first day here and we're loving it already. It's such a beautiful place to come. As you can see, it's beautiful. Honestly, there's just so many things that you've just got to take in whilst you're here. It's absolutely amazing. But yeah, let's go to the farm. We have just arrived, so we did have to go like down a crazy trail to get here in the car. We was yeah, we're in the mountains basically. It's absolutely beautiful. I've already found some goats. Well, I say some, there's like 50 goats in here. Let's have a look. Hello baby. Hello baby. So we've came into the herd with the animals, haven't we? Hello. Do you want to give her one? Oh, that's lovely. Do you want to give her one? There you go. Do you want some?
No.
No.
Not hungry.
Come on, let's go find some other animals. Oh my goodness. I said, what are they?
Let me go in.
Look at them. Baby goats.
Let me go in.
Oh, this is amazing, isn't it, Isaac? Let's go and have a look at these. Hello, babies. Hi. Isaac, look at you with the lamb. Hi, baby. So this is in the middle of the mountains, and they've been so kind to let us come in and feed the lambs, feed the goats. They're so cute, the little baby goat. I want one. Isaac's got really into the gist of things. He wants to be a farmer. I think Cyprus is going to be the place for him. Look. She's following Isaac around like a lost puppy, but in this case she's a goat. I'm so happy for him, he's gonna love this. At this farm they have roughly about 150 animals, big animals. The babies are accounted for at the moment because they're currently breeding and they've had quite a few, but the animals seem to not like us and keep running away. Come back! We are literally in the mountains as well. They used to have about 500 animals as well, but they've reduced that because of high maintenance, and obviously it's very difficult to do that. But yeah, they've got so many beautiful animals. You get all the fresh produce from here. It's beautiful, honestly. It's such a wonderful place we visited today, and I can't thank Perry enough for showing us this place. It's so nice. So that's a wrap. We really hope that you enjoyed this video just as much as we did. We really got to experience the process of the cheese making. We got to experience the farm, which is in the mountains of Kornos village. It was just beautiful.
I mean, I didn't get to go, unfortunately, but I am a very jealous man because it did look amazing. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We did so much more yesterday, but it would be crazy to not break it down into 2 videos. So please keep your eyes on our YouTube channel, as we're going to be posting so much more content. And as always, if you haven't done already, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!